Hello again everyone, this is me, Sir Alan, and welcome back to my channel. So, kung bago ka lang guys sa YouTube channel ko, so huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below. Huwag na natin patatagalin pa. Pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem says that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of two legs. So, ang square daw ng hypotenuse is equal daw sa pinag-add ng dalawang square ng dalawang legs. Okay? So, ano yung hypotenuse? The hypotenuse, guys, is the longest side of a right triangle. So, in this case, I have here the figure. So, your hypotenuse there is your side C. This side is your hypotenuse. And your side A and your side B are the legs. So, these are the legs. So, kung isi-symbol natin guys, in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, so therefore, the square of your C, side C, is equal to the sum of the square of two legs. So, pinag-add daw ng dalawang square ng two legs. So, therefore, your A square plus B square. So, yun po yung sinasabi ng Pythagorean theorem. So, saan po natin ginagamit ito? Ginagamit natin ito sa pag-compute ng measurement ng legs of a right triangle. Okay? So, let's have some examples. Now, let's try example number 1. Find the leg of a right triangle given hypotenuse 10 meters and leg A is 6 meters. Based dun sa formula ng Pythagorean theorem, which is the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of two legs. So, we have your C square is equal to A square plus your B square. So, gagawin natin ngayon guys is to substitute for the value given. So, therefore, hypotenuse natin dito is yung 10 meters, so C. So, therefore, 10 square is equal to, and your leg A, so therefore, your A there is 6 meters. So, we have 6 square plus your B square. So, hinahanap natin dito is the leg B. So, therefore, gagawin natin, perform the operation. 10 square is 100 is equal to, your 6 square is 6 times 6, which is 36, plus your B square. Okay, now, so hinahanap natin ngayon is the value of your B. So, gagawin natin ngayon is to transpose your 36 to the other side para matitira dyan yung B. So, transpose natin yung 36 on the other side. So, this will become, since nilipat natin sa kabilang pwesto, sa equality natin, so magiging negative siya. So, therefore, this is 100 minus 36 is equal to your B square. Okay? I hope nasundan guys, no? So, therefore, 100 minus 36 is equal to 64 B square. Okay, para makuha natin yung B ngayon sa susunod is to eliminate your squared. So, yung 2 dyan. So, para ma-eliminate natin yan, so gagawin natin is to put radical sign both side of the equation. So, this is square root of 64 and square root of B square. So, since na square root na natin siya, so, eliminate na natin yung 2. So, therefore, matitira natin dyan is yung B. And therefore, square root of 64 is 8. Okay, so therefore guys, leg B now is 8 meters. So therefore, side B is equal to 8 meters. Okay, I hope na. So now let's solve example number 2. find measurement of hypotenuse given two legs A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. So, base pa rin sa Pythagorean theorem, so square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of two legs. So, therefore, your C squared is equal to A squared plus your B squared. So, gagawin natin is just substitute. So, substitute lang natin ng value ng given meron sa problem. So, therefore, your A is 3 and your B is 4. So, magiging C squared is equal to your A is 3 squared plus your B is 4 squared. Okay, I hope nasundan. So, gagawin natin is to substitute the value from the given. So, therefore, this is C squared. 3 squared is 9. So, 3 times 3 is 9. Plus, your 4 squared is 16. Very good. So, therefore, this is C squared is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Okay. So, we have here 25. C squared is equal to 25. So, para makuha natin yung value ng C, ng side C or the hypotenuse, so, since naka-square yan, mag-i-eliminate tayo by putting radical sign both sides of the equation. So, this is square root of C squared and square root of 25. So, radical sign and your square will be cancelled out. So, matitira is your C. C na lang is equal to square root of 25 is how much? Square root of 25 is very good. So, this is 5. So, therefore, our hypotenuse is 5. Okay, madali lang siya. Let's try our last example. In triangle ABC, your A is 6 and your C is 8. Find the value of your B. So, gamitin rin natin yung formula ng Pythagorean theorem. So, we have C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So, hinahanap natin yung B. So, gagawin natin is, your C squared is 8 squared is equal to your A there is 6 squared plus B squared. So, perform lang natin yung operation. So, 8 squared is 64 is equal to 6 squared is 36 plus your B squared. I hope na nasundan guys, no? So, gagawin natin, transpose lang natin yung 36 to the other side of the equation. So, magiging 64 minus 36. Naging negative na po siya since nilipat natin sa kabilang side is equal to B squared. So, subtract 36 is equal to 28 is equal to B squared. Okay? So, susunod natin gagawin is to eliminate yung square or yung superscript na 2. So, gagawin natin is to put radical sign both sides. So, therefore, this is square root of 28 is equal to square root of B squared. So, eliminate na natin yung radical sign and yung 2 doon. So, magiging B. So, gagawin natin dito guys, since wala siyang exact na number na perfect square, is hahanapan natin siya ng factors which has a perfect square. So, ano nga yung factors ng 28? 4 and 7. So, 7 times 4 is 28. And your 4 there, yung 4 natin dito, meron siya perfect square. So, ganun kasi yung gagawin natin kapag nag-simplify tayo ng radical sign na hindi perfect square, hahanap tayo ng factors na may perfect square. So, in this case, so factors are 4 and 7. So, ang 4 natin is perfect square. So, magiging, this is 4 times 7. Okay? So, 4 times 7 is 28. So, gaganan natin para hindi malito. So, this is B. So, since yung 4 natin is perfect square, so square root of 4 is 2. Very good. So, ilalabas natin. And yung 7 natin, since hindi na siya nasa-simplify, so ititira natin siya doon sa loob. So, therefore, ang answer natin is 2 square root of 7. Okay? I hope na naintindihan natin guys yung about sa Pythagorean theorem. And this is me again, Sir Alan. And see you soon for more videos.